Hey my guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. So today I wanted to do a video of me cleaning out this bad boy. That is my spice area. I'm going to take everything out of here because what I want to do is make this more functional, and all those there are, I create different recipes and make different concoctions and sauces and different things, and depending on how they go, they'll become a actual recipe, but I have to keep tweaking and doing certain stuff. So that's why I have all these stickies here, because that's the way I create recipes. My grandfather used to do the same thing. So and then as time goes on, I share them as I tweak and change to get it the way I like it. But anywho, so in here, I'm going to be pulling all this stuff out. And we ain't going to do it on the camera. I'm just going to take it out. You're going to see it like that. Then it's going to be empty. We're going to go through all the ones, see how much is in everything. What can I get rid of? What is outdated? If there is anything outdated, I'm going to empty it and recycle the containers. But what I want to do is get all the big stuff down here, because that's the stuff I use more often, like the bigger, like the bouillons or dobos, the onion powder and stuff like that down here. Then all the stuff that is really small that I still have in bags that I done took out of little bottles, all of those are going to go into those bottles I talked to y'all about. I'll show them to you real quick. So these were gifted to me and I wanted to use them, and they're so small, and I had created this right here, this drawer for them. But I decided that I'm going to use this for seasonings that I don't use all the time, mainly on an occasion like holidays and stuff. So that's what's going to go in there. So we're going to get all the seasonings out onto the counter or either the island. I don't know. You'll see. And then we're going to go through them and get rid of what I don't need. If you hear a fan in the background, it's because we're blowing some of the extra drywall dust out of that room. So let's get into getting all these seasonings out of the cabinet. All right, so we have all of them here. The stuff that's in packets are here. And then on this side, I put all the big stuff here, which is gonna stay because that's going back in first. Got a nice warm rag, and I'm gonna wipe in here because you know stuff does spill and get all inside the cabinets. And with this sticky paper, it's pretty cool. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one here. I don't know, we'll see, Get all this, because I do want to put like all my oils and stuff here, and I got some tall bottles of oils like the avocado and stuff like that. So I may take one of these out. I'm not sure. I know my big ones will fit here, so I was thinking of taking this out so that my big stuff can fit, like my big bottles of avocado oil. I don't know if that will fit because I got extras. Let's see. No, so I would probably have to take that down or drop it here. The top would fall behind the stove. Okay, so let me get the first level in of the ones that I know for sure I'm going to keep right there. I want them more at a good reach because I'm always reaching up there to get them, and I don't want that. Just a little rearranging. Now, without a doubt, I use all of those, right? Not the lorries, I don't really use that as much, but I do use it, and I did just minimize the size down from taking the other can and pouring it in there so I don't have space taken up for both of them. This I haven't used, so I'm going to, and this is by Badia, but I haven't used this, and I might need this today because Naya wants some tzatziki, like chicken shavaki, I think that's how you say it, with rice and lettuce. So I might use this today. I don't know. So we're gonna set this to the side. Definitely know I want to keep my Pam spray right there. Let's see. Cinnamon. I have a different type of cinnamon, so I really don't use this. So I might give this to someone. I have two of these. And then one that is a more spice. So these can stay in their containers. These I'll try to put together. I don't know, it may not be. This one is new, I think. Yeah. Let me see if I can get these in one container. Nope, it's too much. This is what I hate. Naya had combined her seasoning, so I have all of these, but I'm going to use this one first. So we're going to set that there and put that like that. I hate having, it just seemed like too much. So that's that. Parsley, I'm going to take this and put this in my big thing of parsley. What's this? Paprika almost gone. We're gonna get rid of that. Put this with the other paprika. That is chili powder. We're gonna take the parsley, take that out, and put this with that. Let me do that. I'll be back. No need to have two of these containers. And all the extra onion powder that I just got right here on the side. All the extra pans are gonna go here that I got from Big Lots, and one just fell, so we're gonna put that up there as well, like that. Put all the extra onion powder up there. I want to see if I can get this McCormick inside here to free this up and put this in there. Let's see. Think it's gonna fit? Ooh, I know I'm about to be sneezing. Yep, another container out the way. This is the garlic I had bought from Aldi. Ooh, I don't know if that's gonna fit. This probably is not gonna fit in there. Let's try to get most of it in there. How much can I get in there, y'all? Ooh, oh, all of it. Boom. All right, let's get this in the cabinet. Okay, so I want to say this box comes with 24 seasoning jars. So I want to try to get 24 of the ones that I know that I use on occasion, like my nutmeg, my sage, different things like that. I use sage quite often, but you don't need a lot of sage. So these are the ones I'm going to try to get in those glass jars and put them down here so I can free up space. I probably am going to drop this and then have the excess, like this is an excess of that. And then I also have an excess black pepper that's going to go up there like that. So let's see what we can get in the drawers down here. Right here, I'm not going to bore you. I'm going to set everything that I know that I use that I like that doesn't come in bulk. Now my cayenne pepper and my cinnamon, black pepper, no, you see the black pepper and the garlic powder, but my cayenne pepper and my cinnamon, I buy those in bulk, like by the pound. So those I'll be refilling these little containers with that. But everything else that I don't know, we're going to figure it out. We're going to set it right here, and I'm going to eliminate what I don't want and probably donate or give it to someone else. We'll see. Let's see. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I'm not putting them in the jars right now. That'll be another video, but this is how I minimize. I do use all this stuff, especially around the holidays. So I took the poultry seasoning and downgraded it from a bigger jar because this one wouldn't fit in here, and I put it in this one. And then I took the Obey and put it in here because it came in a square jar and it was in the way. And I usually get Obey in a big thing too. So after that is gone, I won't be using the plastic anymore. I'll be using the glass jar, but just to keep it in the cabinet versus down here. But these are the jars that I got rid of, and this one and my cinnamon. It won't, I don't think, let's see. Oh, okay. I'm gonna just fill that up just like it is and put it back in there. It's making a mess already. Put it back in there just like it is. Now these here are cardamom, clove, coriander and stuff like that. Those I need to figure out what I want to do because I don't use them often and they last a long time because of that. And it's only 25 of those bottles, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This Greek seasoning probably won't be there. The blackening seasoning probably won't be here. Well, yeah, I keep the blackening seasoning. This right here probably won't stay in here. So this will free up a space more than likely. And this Greek seasoning will probably free up a space. So then that'll leave me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, meaning I got 10 more spices that I could put in the jars because it's 10 of those jars. So, but all of them won't fit in here. I think all of them except for 3 or 4 will fit down in this. So I just want to declutter my spices. That's what I'm doing. I decluttered them. Now I can see everything. Everything up there is literally just overflow, except for the bouillon and the Maggi, the African Maggi. I like Asian Maggi and African Maggi, so I got both of them. Then I got some gold curry cubes mix, Japanese mix. I love that in certain gravies when I'm making Asian meals or whatever. So, but here's all the seasons that I normally use right here. Onion powder, black pepper, thyme, my complete, my Lori's, my, you know what I mean, my chili powder, all that stuff is there. My adobo is there, it's bigger, but I'm gonna keep that up there because it's fat. So that's that. These right here, I'm just gonna place back here, and I'm not probably gonna do this anytime soon, but all of these can stay right here. And now they're easily accessible. When I do put stuff in the jars, I am going to probably take those packets out, or maybe leave them like that when I buy them and just keep them there. It's more organized now. I can see everything. When I tell you I was so irritating reaching behind grabbing stuff, when I just needed to have the stuff I use on a daily basis here. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, and then on that level I got a couple baking things, but y'all, I still have like all my Asian seasonings in here. I got my traditional yeast, I got sesame oils and different sesame seeds, and also other baking sprinkles. Now this is just some of the stuff. Also my liquid smoke, that's over here. My turmeric is over here. So I got some more, not too much, but, and this is some more Italian seasoning. So we're going to bring this oil over here because we're going to be using that. Well, that sesame oil is what I do my teeth with. So this Italian seasoning goes over here. We're going to put the liquid smoke by the other liquid smoke. The Asian sesame oil can stay here. The rice wine vinegar can stay here. Then I have some peppercorns, but that's from my grinder because I like to have fresh pepper too. And then I got hot sauce and some Bragg's and some aminos. Instead of using soy sauce, this is a soy sauce alternative, but I also have that. So I'll stick that up there. And other than that, these are things that I don't use on a daily basis. I keep them up here. Turmeric, I don't really use that on a daily basis. So that'll stay up there. But I usually have a bacon, put this back there, a bacon cabinet. So I'm going to figure out which one. I think that's going to be on the bottom of my island because I'll do a lot of my bacon on when I'm at the island. All of these here. All of these packets and stuff here, I'm going to nicely tuck them back there because there's space back there. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to be back and show you all the stuff that I took out of the cabinet and the space I'm saving. I decided to just fold it and put it here because I can easily grab it because I do still use this, and just fold that up just like that. That's what I'm going to do with that. So this is all the stuff that I took out, and this is what it's looking like for right now, which is weird. It just seems like it's still cluttered, but it's not as cluttered because I did get all those seasonings out, but everything is more so along the wall and I can reach in now. My bake stuff is right there. These little packets and my yeast and stuff for my bacon is right here. Then I got some ranch packets. I don't know what to do with those at this moment. Mind you, I don't have all my organization stuff. It's still in storage. So this is what we're going to work with just so it's not annoying me while I cook and I can still see everything. My liquid smoke, my hot sauce, everything can be seen. Even this, y'all know I usually make my taco sauce myself, so this will be freeing up some space. But until it's gone, it's going to be in here. So, yeah, that's in there. And we are going to use whatever we can here before, like the cayenne pepper, probably not. Don't think so, because I got some organic cayenne pepper. So this pink salt, this black pepper, and these minced onions, I'll probably use those until those are gone, and then that's going to be it. So that's what it's looking like, and a little bit more organized, and yeah. So that was more so of a little quick clean out because this was really annoying me. And not going to be an edited video, just giving it to you guys like this. And when I do the official seasoning organization and all that, and boggling down to the seasons that I truly want, I'll definitely do a video. But for now, this is what we're working with, and I'm going to clean these out and recycle the ones that are empty, and the ones that have a little bit in them, I'm going to use them first so I can get rid of those containers. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators. Look at my shirt, just doing whatever it wants to do. It's supposed to be off my shoulder, but look, it's just whatever. So later, Gators.